How to insert image on HTML web page. First, write image tag. It will automatically take src and alt. Here in src I need to write get image jpg, and I am giving the alt text cats cats image. Now I am going to press the right button and open the live server. You can see the image is inserted in web page, and again I am inserting another image, showing the process again. Write img tag and press enter. It will automatically take src and alt text. Here I am writing 3 cats, and alt text I am writing 3 cats picture image. Press the right button and go with live server. Open. You can see this is the another image.